Friends, do you feel unmotivated, bored, or uninspired by your life? Are you ready to reinvent yourself and have a more exciting life? Would you like to have more money, be able to travel, have your dream job, and achieve all your wildest dreams whilst not burning out? If the answer is yes, keep listening to learn the secrets to achieving everything you desire in 3 simple steps. If you're new here, welcome friends to the Happy and Ahead channel, where we help people like you get ahead in life while still enjoying the ride and not burning out. Step 1. Writing a wish list. Step 1 to reinventing yourself is to visualize the fabulous person that you want to become and to write a wish list. A full reinvent will include 7 key areas of your life. So, grab a journal and for each area of your life as it is now, give it a score out of 10 with 10 being fabulous and 0 being needing some serious help. Next to this score, write down what you would need to have, do, or be to give it a 10 out of 10. Okay, so let's have a look at the 7 areas. Area 1, your physical appearance. How happy are you with your diet? What would you need to do to give it a 10 out of 10? Maybe you would like to meal prep more. What about exercise? Do you need to get yourself a gym membership? Would training for a competition help to motivate you? Or would more relaxing activities like walking and yoga be better? What about medical issues? Are there any appointments you need to make? Could you do with a new hairstyle or build a new capsule wardrobe? Area 2, your mindset. What holds you back? Do you need to improve your confidence, build self-esteem, improve your social interactions, or just develop a positive mindset? Perhaps there's a fear or anxiety holding you back or regrets that are preventing you from looking forward. Area 3, your environment. Think about all the places where you spend your time. Do you need to change your physical space? Do you need to move house, update some decor, or buy a new car? Remember, nothing is off limits. What would it take to give your environment a 10 out of 10? Area 4, your money and career. Do you want a promotion in your 9 to 5? Maybe you want to become self-employed or go part-time at work and start a side hustle or to write that book. Perhaps you would benefit from a budget for fun and life? Or maybe you want to increase your income by 10% this year. Whatever it is, write it down. Area 5, your skills and knowledge. Are there any skills you want to learn? Do you want to develop your social skills and become more assertive? Are you interested in investing? Do you want to start your own business? Perhaps you would like to master cooking skills or just to try new things. The list of skills and knowledge you could gain is endless, and the sky's the limit. Area 6, your relationships. Would you like to expand your network and meet new people? How can you find people with similar interests to you? Could you volunteer at a charity or get a part-time job in something you're interested in? Or perhaps you want to focus on strengthening existing relationships. Area 7, your bucket list. And finally, what's on your bucket list? This could include any hobbies, travel, or just anything you want to do, have, or be, just for the fun of it. Rate this area of your life out of 10, and what would need to change for you to give it a 10 out of 10. Next to these answers, stick in pictures from Pinterest and magazines or create a vision board to help inspire you. Think of this as a wish list and try to look at lots of different places for ideas. This could be movies, people you know, or even celebrities. Step 2, setting goals. Once you have created your wish list, the next step is to set goals for your reinvention. Now, you don't have to do this all at once. Just pick 1 or 2 areas that you would like to start with. For each area, turn it into a SMART goal. This means make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound with a deadline. Step 3, action your goals. The last and most rewarding step of the reinventing journey is seeing your goals come to life. This involves breaking your goals down into small tasks and scheduling them into your calendar on a weekly basis. When you complete each task, reward yourself to keep motivation high. You now have a roadmap to your complete reinvention. Remember, it's important to be your own cheerleader and to cultivate a positive mindset. Be daring, have fun, and believe in your reinvention. If you need more help on how to achieve each of the goals you have set on your roadmap, check out our next video on how to achieve any goal, where we go into this process in more detail. We guarantee that if you follow the steps in this video, you will completely transform yourself and amaze yourself, as well as your family and friends. So, Why not take the first step today to a new you by adding this video to your playlist to watch again when you want some extra support? Let us know which areas you're going to reinvent in the comments below. We can't wait to be part of your exciting reinvention journey to a fabulous new you. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit subscribe, like this video, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.